Hey there, YouTubers. I wanted to tell you about a problem that I'm having with my Whirlpool washing machine. This is a typical later model washer. Maytag, Whirlpool. There's other brands that are built just like this one. And the issue that I'm having is a grinding noise when you're washing with the machine. And I've looked at other videos. I've taken mine apart and looked at it and thought, hey, that'll be an easy fix because that's what the video showed. But what all the other videos I've seen do not show is what the actual problem was with mine, and I'll tell you about it. Sorry about the focus on this. The other videos show that this right here, this is the washer plate or whatever they call it, usually is bad. It gets stripped out in here. Can't really see it well from that side. But the gears get stripped out. This one actually is in really good shape. Can't really see it that well, but the gears are there. So I was troubled. I didn't know why it was still making that noise. What I haven't seen in other videos is where they address this piece right here. This actually hooks to the spindle. You have to pull this. You have to pull the pin out. You're gonna have to pry it out. I did all this ahead of time so I can just show you. You pull this pin out, and then you pull this part out here. And this is the part that's bad. If you look right in there, you'll see the what's left of the teeth. They're all ground off, and it wasn't gripping to the spindle. So what was happening was this washer plate was gripping like it was supposed to, but it was spinning really fast. It was just spinning really fast while the tub wasn't moving at all, and it was making that grinding noise. And the computer in this thing was stopping it because it wasn't registering that it was moving properly, so the computer would stop this thing from working. So before you go and spend 50, 60, 70 bucks on a new washer plate, I think they're calling that what it's supposed to be. Check the gears, the little teeth inside. This one is still good. Check this part right here. And you can see that those are all worn off and smooth. So I have a new one to compare it to. This is the new one. And you can really see the teeth in there nice. And this part I replaced before. When I first got this machine about 6 months ago, I replaced this part. And I did the wrong thing. I went on eBay and I cheaped out and bought the low price cheap piece. And that's exactly what happened. It turned out to be cheap and it wore out. This is the actual genuine Whirlpool part. Costs about twice as much as the cheap one. And I'm hoping this will do the trick and I won't have to replace this again for a long time. But I wanted to point that out to you. If you're having that same issue where it's making a grinding noise, don't just assume that it's this part right here. Check this one too. Okay? Hey, thanks for watching the video, and I wish you success with the repair of your washing machine. Talk to you soon.